What if I told you that the device in your pocket, the same one you use to scroll through Instagram and send memes, can create cinematic shots that look like they came straight out of a Hollywood movie? Yes, I'm talking about your smartphone. Gone are the days when you needed thousands of dollars in equipment to shoot stunning videos. With just a little creativity and a few simple tricks, you can turn your phone into a filmmaking powerhouse. Today, I'm sharing 5 tips to capture cinematic shots with your phone. No fancy gear, no excuses. Are you ready? Let's roll. First things first, lighting is everything. If you want your phone shots to look cinematic, you have to understand how light works. Cinematographers say, light is the paintbrush of filmmaking, and they're absolutely right. Here's the trick. Always work with natural light when you can. The best time to shoot is during the golden hour, that magical time just after sunrise or before sunset, when the light is soft, warm, and flattering. It helps create that dreamy, cinematic vibe. But what if you're indoors? Look for soft, diffused light, like light streaming through a window with curtains. Avoid harsh overhead lighting or direct sunlight, which can create unflattering shadows. And if you're shooting at night, use practical lights like lamps or candles to create an intimate, cinematic mood. Try backlighting your subject, like placing the sun or a light source behind them. It creates a beautiful glow and adds depth to your shot. Nothing screams amateur louder than shaky footage. The secret to cinematic shots is smooth motion. But don't worry, you don't need expensive stabilizers to achieve this. Your phone can do wonders with the right technique. Here's how to stabilize your shots like a pro. Hold your phone with both hands. Keep your elbows close to your body for added stability. Use your body as a tripod. Brace yourself against a wall or squat down to anchor your movements. Invest in a gimbal or tripod. If you can, a mobile gimbal will take your shots to the next level by giving you buttery smooth motion. If you're on a budget, even a cheap tripod can make a big difference. And if you're walking while filming, try the ninja walk. Bend your knees slightly and walk heel to toe to minimize bumps. It sounds silly, but it works. A cinematic shot isn't just about what you're filming, it's about how you frame it. Composition is the secret sauce that makes your video look polished and professional. Let's talk about the basics. First up, the rule of thirds. Imagine dividing your screen into a 3x3 grid. Place your subject along the lines or at one of the intersections. It's a tried and true way to create balanced, visually pleasing shots. Next, look for leading lines, things like roads, fences, or hallways that naturally direct the viewer's eye toward your subject. It adds depth and makes your shot more dynamic. And don't forget about framing. Use natural frames like doorways, windows, or tree branches to draw attention to your subject. It's an easy way to make your shots feel intentional and artistic. Keep your horizon straight. A crooked horizon can ruin an otherwise beautiful shot. Most phones have grid lines in the camera settings. Use them. Now that you've nailed lighting, stability, and composition, it's time to add some movement. The way your camera moves can completely change the feel of your shot. Let me show you some cinematic camera movements you can try with your phone. The slow pan. Move your phone slowly from left to right or vice versa. This works great for landscapes or revealing a scene. The tilt. Start low and slowly tilt your phone upward to reveal your subject. It's a dramatic way to introduce your scene. The push-in. Slowly move your phone closer to your subject. This adds intensity and draws the viewer's attention to important details. The pull-out. Do the opposite. Start close and pull back to reveal the bigger picture. Great for creating a sense of scale. The key here is to go slow. Fast, jerky movements can feel chaotic. Slow and steady wins the cinematic race. Cinematic shots don't end when you hit the stop button. Editing is where the magic happens. With just a few tweaks, you can transform your raw footage into a masterpiece. Here are 3 simple things you can do while editing. Color grading. Change the mood of your video by adjusting the colors. Want a warm, nostalgic vibe? Add orange and teal tones. Want a cold, dramatic feel? Use cooler tones. Apps like VN, CapCut, or Adobe Premiere Rush make this super easy. Slow motion. Slowing down your footage can make it feel more cinematic. Use this technique for dramatic moments, like water splashing or a subject walking through a foggy street. Transitions. Smooth transitions like fades or cross dissolves can make your video flow seamlessly. Avoid over-the-top effects. Simple is better. Add a cinematic black bar effect, letterboxing, to give your video that widescreen, movie-like look. Most editing apps have this feature built in. Now that you know these tips, remember this: cinematic shots are about more than just technique. They're about storytelling. Even a simple scene like walking through a park can feel cinematic if you use lighting, composition, movement, and editing to create emotion. Think about the mood you want to create. Is it happy, nostalgic, mysterious? Every choice you make, lighting, angles, colors, should support that mood. That's what makes your shots stand out. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Some of the best cinematic shots come from trying something new, shooting through a glass of water, playing with reflections, or using unique angles. There's no right way to create cinematic videos. It's all about finding your style and having fun in the process. And there you have it, 5 tips to capture cinematic shots with your phone. Now, it's your turn to put these ideas into action. Grab your phone, head outside, and start creating. Remember, you don't need expensive gear to tell amazing stories, you just need creativity and a little know-how. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more filmmaking hacks and drop a comment below. What's your favorite cinematic trick? I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.